Microeconomics, first chapter, introduction. In this, another subtopic, central problems of an economy. The arrangement made by the people of a country to organize their economic activities is known as an economy. The central economic problem is scarcity of resources and existence of unlimited wants. In every economy, there are three problems. One is what to produce and how much to produce. It is the first problem of an every economy. The problem of what to produce relates to the type of goods and services that are to be produced by an economy. An economy has to decide whether capital goods or consumer goods, or should we produce more guns or more butter. So every economy has to decide what to produce, whether capital goods such as machines, equipments, or consumer goods like necessaries of life, comforts, luxuries, etc. A right choice has to be made so as to maximize satisfaction and welfare of people. Suppose it takes a decision to what to produce, then the another problem arises, that is how much to produce. It is related, how much to produce, it is related to the problem of quantity. The problem of quantity of each commodity or service to be produced. If we want to produce more consumer goods, we have to reduce capital goods, because resources are scarce, which can be used for different purposes. So, an economy tries to produce more capital goods, it has to reduce consumer goods. Next problem, that is second problem, how to produce. How to produce? This problem is associated with the choice of production technology. How goods and services are to be produced. So here the economy has to take decision. It relates to the choice of production technology. In other words, the production of a good or service is possible by various methods. There are two types of methods of production in every economy. Namely, one is labor intensive techniques of production. Labor intensive technique of production. And second one is capital intensive technique of production. An economy can produce cotton cloth by using hand looms or automatic looms. It may use hand looms. It shows it is a labor intensive technique of production. And another we have automatic looms. It shows capital intensive technique of production. While hand looms require more labor, automatic looms need more capital investment and more power. So here, the choice of method of production depends on three factors. So here, the method of or the choice of production technology depends upon three factors. Namely, one is here the availability of natural resources and human resources. Second one is the quality, productivity and efficiency of inputs. And third one is relative costs of production of different techniques. So usually an economy opts or prefer a technique that optimally utilizes its available resources. So here, how to produce? It depends upon three factors. These three factors determine the technique of production in every economy. So if suppose we take a decision relating to how to produce, the another problem arises, that is for the third problem, that is for whom to produce or how to distribute. Think about it. Think about it. Can a country satisfy each and every human wants? Certainly not. Because resources are limited compared to human wants. A country cannot satisfy all the needs or wants of the people. Therefore, it has to decide on who gets what share of the total output of goods and services produced. In other words, an economy decides on the distribution of the goods and services among the people. It is the problem of sharing the goods and services or distribution of goods and services among the people. So, economy takes a decision about the how to distribute. It may be capitalist economy or socialist economy or mixed economy. So every economy takes decision how to distribute. So these are the central problems of an economy.